In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a community platform using Bettermode without writing a single line of code. So if you're ready to create a space where people can connect, engage, and share ideas, let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to Bettermode's website. Once you're there, a treasure trove of possibilities awaits. Click on the Browse Templates button to explore the ready-made options designed to cater to different types of communities. These templates make the process a lot easier as they provide a structured starting point that you can customize to fit your unique needs. Among the options you'll see are various templates such as EduMark, EarthGuardian, SaaSplex, and Creative Hub. Each is designed with a different focus in mind. For example, EarthGuardian is great for communities centered around environmental engagement. In this tutorial, we're going to work with the EarthGuardian template to show you how seamlessly you can create an engaging community platform. Next, click on Use Template next to EarthGuardian. This will import the template, providing you with a pre-built structure. This is a huge time saver and allows you to focus more on customization than starting from scratch. Once the template is imported, look for the plus sign button to add fresh elements to your platform. This button is your gateway to expanding your community, allowing you to incorporate new ideas and features that best represent your vision. After clicking the plus sign, it's time to give your community a name. This might seem simple, but choosing a name is crucial, as it will be the first thing people associate with your platform. Make sure it reflects the purpose and the vibe you want to create. Now that you've established your community's basic identity, it's time to customize the branding. Upload your logo, favicon, and a cover image. These elements are important as they create a visual identity that people will recognize and connect with. Make sure these images are cohesive and represent the values and tone of your community. Designing the layout comes next. This step allows you to choose how members will interact with the platform. Consider the user experience here. What layout will be most intuitive and engaging for your audience? You can adjust elements like post formats, navigation menus, and sections to ensure your community is both functional and appealing. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've laid down the foundation for a thriving community platform using Bettermode. Take the time to explore further customization options and really make the space your own. Building a community platform is about creating a space for interaction and collaboration. So remember to keep your community's needs in mind as you continue to develop and refine your platform. Thanks for watching and happy community building.